ever world of cryptocurrency. We're actually talking about the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. A new wave of meme tokens, you guys. It is capturing the spotlight. We're talking about blending humor with innovative blockchain technology. So let's go ahead and explore some of the latest entrants making waves in the crypto community. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Videos for education, entertainment purposes only. Okay, so as stated, welcome back to the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to kick it off with what is known as modified tokens. All right, you guys. So if you guys do not know, we're talking about massive trend in crypto space right now is what is known as modify. Okay, so we're talking about where tokens, they are created to honor deceased or let's say iconic animals. So for instance, you guys will see right here that we do have the peanut, right? Peanut token on Solana blockchain that pays tribute, obviously, to Peanut, okay? The squirrel, who has actually been, or let's say it's actually seen its market capitalization soar literally into the billion. And these tokens, you guys, they combine nostalgia with speculative investment. And basically, you guys, they offer a unique avenue for crypto enthusiasts, right? But that's not the only one. You guys will actually see that there is a lot more as well. So I'm going to highly recommend that you definitely kind of dive down into this so you guys can see, right? Okay, so we got a lot. We got Hombre, I remember that one, right? As we just mentioned, we got Peanut, Teddy the blind dog, right? It just kind of continues, right? Very important you guys understand that. Listen, I even found this little video right here, all right? And I want you guys to understand, we're talking about the intersection of artificial intelligence and meme culture. It has given birth to tokens like Meme AI Coin, right? Which is actually built on the Solana blockchain. Meme AI Coin, it definitely aims to revolutionize the meme token landscape by integrating AI capabilities, right? You guys can actually see it literally just had it on the screen right there. But I want you guys to understand, I mean, they are offering both, say, entertainment and potential utility in decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, with Web3 gaming, which is awesome. All right, now this infusion, I mean, the infusion, you guys, it appeals to obviously tech savvy investors looking for innovative projects. Okay, so definitely this guy right here definitely talks about this project. He actually goes over quite a bit. And if we actually take a look here, we can actually just kind of click on it and you guys will actually see exactly what this is all about, right? So obviously we got meme AI out there pumping, looking really good, right? So once again, you guys, they're looking to revolutionize, you know, the meme token landscape, all right, by integrating as stated AI capabilities, okay, which is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to highly recommend you guys dive down into this, and you're more than welcome to go ahead and click that buy button and, you know, go from there. All right, and then finally, you guys, let's talk about this obviously Trump, right? So we're talking about celebrity endorsed meme tokens. So obviously in this case we got Mr. Trump, right? So we have the current President Donald Trump, and then we have First Lady Melania Trump. I mean, they have actually entered the crypto space. You guys know that, right? They've entered with their own meme token. So obviously we got Trump, and then we have Melania. Now they both launched on the Solana blockchain, okay? As we've already talked about these other projects, right? We have AI meme on Solana, we have Peanut on Solana, literally a lot of projects on Solana. But I want you guys to understand, yeah, they launched these tokens on the Solana blockchain, right? These tokens definitely have experienced significant market activity, which is very important. And technically, you guys, with Trump's market cap, I mean, reaching around what? It was around, like, if I'm correct, we're talking about approximately around like $7 billion, especially at its peak. Now, obviously, guys, while these tokens have garnered attention, they also raise discussions about the ethical implications and potential conflicts of interest associated with celebrity-endorsed cryptocurrencies. So there you have it. As the meme and token landscape continues to evolve, these emerging projects, they highlight the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of the crypto world. Be sure to smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and leave some comments down below.